Good evening, SaaS creators. Welcome to another Friday video. My name is Rahul VP. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Datflow, a modern user onboarding platform for SaaS creators. In this video, I'm going to speak about self-service product demos and how to save your SaaS free trials. Once again, thank you for joining me today over here. What is a SaaS free trial? So I don't need to explain what is a SaaS free trial really is. All my audience who are SaaS creators, know what is a SaaS free trial, and it's a most common method that is applicable or that's used in the SaaS marketers to convert more users into their premium users. A free trial allows your users to try out a software with all the limited features for a specific time period. You may use for a 7 or 14-day free trial. You provide your software for users to use it with entire features or with limited or unlimited features for a specific period of time. It might be 7, 14, 21 or 30 days of free trial. So this period allow the software users to see the value of the services and whether it's influencing their buying decision or not. If your free trial is satisfied of one of the software user and that says the user is getting the proposed value, there's a chance of being converted to convert that particular account holder or a free trial user to a premium user. How the free trial benefits the software users. The free trial remains the most popular and useful method for SaaS product to convert more lead to a premium user. So if a software user is identified your software is the one which they are looking for, definitely they moved into a premium and that they're happy to pay that for that the services which you're offering. The free trial gives the user a chance to see what the product does without jumping into payment, because setting up a software is a lot of tasks that require a lot of in terms of you need to make a payment earlier, you need to install it, you need to upload the data, and you need to take that to your real atmosphere. So it's making a lot of hurdles. So a free trial helps a user without doing all these things. They can understand whether this software is helpful or not. So if they achieve the proposed value, definitely they can renew it or stop using it if it's not giving them the proposed values. What is your conversion rate? As I said, free trial is a best method to convert more users to the premium users. Free trial are a part of the SaaS sales funnel. Users who visit your website got some first impression signing up for the free trial, and thereafter you can see how the sales funnel going on. Some user visiting your website, that you're doing some paid or organic marketing methods and attracting the prospect to your website, and thereafter converting them to a trial user, and thereafter if you can offer a value what the users are looking for, definitely you can convert more users. In general, 25 to 30% of free trial users may got converted to a premium users. What is a self-service product demo? So before getting into the product demo, I just need to go back to the previous slide and to explain one more thing. Like if you're setting up, let's say imagine you're getting 1,000 website visitors on this day, and you're able to convert that like around imagine like 100 free trial users every day. And out of this 100 free trial, if you're setting up a one-to-one product demonstration and talking to users to give them a walkthrough, giving them the features, what they'll, giving them an understanding, a detailed understanding, how much time it will take. Your sales rep need to spend a lot of time to give a product walkthrough to users, and it's involved a lot of time, money, and everything, and it's a huge task as well. And if you're unable to, your sales rep is unable to convert that account, that free trial, to a premium account, so end of the day, the effort which you put on this is actually going to be a complete waste. So before getting into a direct one-to-one product demonstration, because we already discussed in the last video, the importance of not providing a one-to-one product demonstration. So just recollect with the same thing. So if you're offering a one-to-one product demonstration to all these software users, it's going to be a very difficult task to manage once you're growing. Let's say from a 100 free trial from a day to 1,000 to 10,000. So it's going to be a huge task if you're keeping this as a primary, the customer conversion method. What is a self-service product demo? Nowadays, everyone is technical and capable of performing certain action themselves. My school-going kid is, he makes website using the Wix, so you know how to set up the things, and everybody is at least some technical, because in the new world, everyone is actually being technical. So it's not so common giving them every user like a one-to-one product demonstration and helping them to understand each and everything. A self-service product demo provides a proper trial experience to users and helps them to explore the software themselves. So before giving a spoon-feeding kind of one-to-one product demonstration, it's more better to give them a kind of a self-service product demonstration. On this point, I just need to add two things. There a method, that's also available. A self-service, in terms of what I'm trying to say, is a service along with a proper user onboarding and product training support. Otherwise, it's going to be a massive, because if a user is doing everything without any assistance or without any kind of a training data, it's going to be a very difficult task for the software users. Again, coming back to the same point, and in-app service demo allow a software users to decide whether the software is useful or not. We're familiar with the onboarding self-service tool like checklist with that helps the user to proceed from one option to another. So on this point, whenever they're proceeding with it, they can understand whether this software is useful or not. One-to-one product demonstration again are too expensive and time-consuming. A self-service is the best choice during the free trial. I just need to ask one question. How do you manage your product training? So if you're a SaaS creator, a sales guy, what is the best product or demo training method that you identified? So is it a one-to-one product demonstration working very well, or you're doing some tooltip kind of navigation within the website to give the walkthrough, or if you're trying some another method, you created a video, you created a knowledge base and giving the instructions. So what are the step-by-step instruction giving? So there are multiple methods that are available, and what is your favorite product training or user onboarding methods? I just wanted to explain how a self-service product demonstration saves your free trial. Saving your free trial in terms of a lot of free trials coming into play, and a lot of trial accounts are there, and one-to-one product demonstration, all these accounts are not possible. So how to save? Definitely guide users through key actions. That's one of the key advantage of using a self-service product demonstration. With self-service product demo, users are able to walk through key processes without a sales rep support. And also it ensures the accuracy in the demonstration, because sometimes we know that product demonstration is a key, and if that went wrong, that's going to be a showstopper, because if it is went wrong, definitely that's not going to be a better conversion. So self-service product demo ensures same accuracy in each individual product demonstration, comparing to the one-to-one sales rep product demonstration. And also it saves your effort on unfit users, because there are users who coming to a website, signing up for the free trial, and thereafter they identify this is not actually a good fit for them. And also you need to cater that account holders as well, because if you are giving product demonstration to each unfit user, that's going to be a tidy task. So setting up a product demonstration to account for those who are unfit or economically not viable. Also, self-service product demonstration delivering more constant support. So you can deliver, if you have a dedicated option to manage, onboard, support a user, that enhances or that ensures the user is getting a maximum support on your platform. So this in the last 10 minutes, I just tried to explain you in user onboarding. So what is the importance of self-service product demonstration? When it comes to self-service, it's not about taking the user to a dashboard, to an account, and leaving them alone in the mid of a forest. They need a proper onboarding assistant, but apart setting up a one-to-one product demonstration. So that's what I'm trying to convey. And also I post this session, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough with my product Dashfrugal, and that is how. So our platform is a digital user onboarding platform like an in-app integration that helps us creators to manage their user onboarding and self-service product demonstration within their application. That enhances the user feature adoption rate, that reducing your time, effort, money that you're spending on the each account user onboarding. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, reach out me directly on my email address, rahul@dashfrugal.com, or reach out to our website to know more.